Let there be no moon. Let the clouds race by. Where the road meets the sea, let the tide be high. Let there be a girl walking by the sea, and let there be rain, rain on the road, rain on her face. Rain makes the road such a dangerous place. Let there be a car racing through the night. Where the road meets the sea, let her wait. Where the road meets the sea, let them spin. Where the road meets the sea, let their fate begin. In the rain.
Wow, you have such a powerful voice. I wish I could see you perform live right now. That's not fair.
That, it's, just those songs really bring it out of you. You can't help but feel like get in the moment of them. And I actually didn't get to sing that song in the show. I was a different character. But just like everyone, just, oh my goodness, just to have a chance to show off at pretty much any time.
Thank you for opening up our show. You were phenomenal. You have one more song later in the show that we'll get to in a second.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here. We'll see you in a second.